Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today. Today, we're diving into a very common adjective, the word careless. It's a B1 level word meaning not paying attention. So, when we say someone is careless, we mean they are not being careful and might make mistakes. It's about a lack of attention to detail. For example, if you spill your drink because you weren't watching what you were doing, that could be seen as a careless action. Let's explore some synonyms. One good synonym is negligent. You could say he was negligent in his duties, often forgetting important tasks. Another is inattentive. Imagine the student was inattentive in class and missed crucial instructions. We can also use thoughtless. Her thoughtless remark hurt her friend's feelings. Now, let's look at the opposite side of things, the antonyms. A key antonym of careless is careful. For example, she was very careful when handling the delicate vase. We could also say attentive. The nurse was attentive to the patient's needs. Another antonym is meticulous. Someone might say he is always meticulous in his work, making sure every detail is perfect. Now, how do we use careless in everyday life? We might say things like, "Don't be so careless with your phone, you might drop it." Or, "His careless driving caused an accident." You might hear someone say, "I made a careless mistake on the test," or, "It was careless of me to leave the door unlocked." You can see how it's used in different situations, from small everyday things to more serious incidents. To recap, careless means not paying attention, and its synonyms include negligent, inattentive, and thoughtless. Its antonyms are careful, attentive, and meticulous. It describes actions or people that lack caution. And it's a word we use all the time in everyday English. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoy the podcast, please subscribe and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show. Also, I'd love to see how you use today's word, so please create a sentence with careless and share it as a comment below the video. I'm excited to see what you come up with. See you next time.